time in the flag game, with the Aztecs looking to win their third straight over the Blackhawks. And it always brings out a good crowd this year. It's at La Quinta, and La Quinta and Palm Desert, they both bring out their entire schools. Those stands are filled. La Quinta gets the first touchdown of the game, and it's because of this play right here, that fumble, and it's returned, which sets them up with great field position in this one. He's still going, almost scores on that return, but they would score right there. It's Johnny Lafayette who takes it in, gets the job done, and puts La Quinta up. But then Palm Desert answers. It's Simon Gaetti. Look at this huge run. Shout out to Simon there. That was a great run by him, and he runs in to score. Now Palm Desert has a touchdown of their own. The Aztecs, they keep rolling. A nice pass here and a beautiful catch by Isaiah Durant. And it's 17-6 Palm Desert now. But the Blackhawks weren't going anywhere. They keep fighting, and it's Lafayette again. He has so much heart, and he really puts it out there on the field. It's great to see him succeed, but unfortunately, La Quinta could not overcome Palm Desert. It's another instant classic matchup, and La Quinta falls to Palm Desert 17-14.
But in the end, guys, we found a way to win. All right, we put together a couple of first downs. Defense, we got a good punt, and defense played, stopped it at the end, guys. We found a way to get a team win, and that's what's most important.
Yeah, I mean, flag game's always close, but we found what works, and we kept pushing with that. And they've always been good with blitzing our runs and stuff.
Probably wasn't the way we wanted it to go. Definitely wasn't the way we wanted it to go. Came out real slow in the beginning. Picked it up towards the middle a little bit and finished it off.
Not every win is pretty. You know, you're going to go through the season and you're going to win games. Some are, unexpected, and some are going to be closer than you think. But hats off to La Quinta. They came out and played hard tonight. I think we needed to do a better job making some adjustments on defense. And offensively, the holding calls just killed about every single drive we had. And Gaetti had another 80-yard touchdown called back again for 2 weeks in a row. And but they played tough. Like I said, win's a win. But we're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, watch the film, and we're gonna be a better football team next week for Xavier.
We do it! Get it! Hell yeah!
Another instant classic in the flag game. But moving along with the show now, Palm Springs and Rancho